Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm just going to be briefly showing you how to use the GMACD indicator for MT4. Alright, so the first step is to download the indicator. Obviously, just check the description below. You're going to find the link to download the indicator. After doing that, you just have to decompress the folder and pick out the indicator file and head over to your indicators folder for MT4 and paste the indicator file in there. After that, get back to your navigator, right click and refresh. Okay, after refreshing, you should find the GMACD indicator. Just drag and drop. All right, so now you will notice that there are a few custom settings here, right? The fast MA is 12, slow MA 26, signal MA 9. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And here we go. All right, so now this indicator helps you to enhance your momentum trading. It's a refined version of the classic MACD, of course, and it's designed to deliver clearer trend direction and entry signals, right? So you will notice that when the blue line crosses above the red line, it shows that there is possible bullish momentum building up. Okay, but you should pay more attention to your histogram bars when the histogram bars cross above the zero level. Yeah, when the histogram bars cross above the zero level, it shows that bullish momentum is prevailing, right? Like we can see what happened here. The red bars above the zero level show bullish momentum, and then when you have green bars below the zero level, it shows bearish momentum. So you want to pay attention to the histogram bars and also the crossovers, between the blue line and the red line, although more emphasis should be on the histogram bars. Okay, and now if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you will be among the first traders to know when a new video drops in this channel. Okay, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.